Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, check it out. We got the storm of 2026 knocking on the door. We've got one more quiet day before this shutdown type of storm comes in. We're talking about enough to put you at home for the rest of the weekend, maybe a day or two into early next week. Heavy snow, sleet, and freezing rain are all in the forecast. Significant amounts of snow and ice accumulations are in the forecast as well. And then we go into a week or more with below freezing temperatures. Read that again, below freezing for more than a week. I counted 10, almost 12 days. Could be February 3rd before we see temperatures get above freezing again. Here's what it looks like in terms of the large scale watches and warnings and advisories spread across the country from New Mexico through Kentucky. You see up north in the Midwest, they have cold weather warnings in place. The watches expand all the way up through Boston, and we're going to have more of the same as we get through it here with the expansion and upgrades of all of those as this system rolls through. Right now, the winter storm warning for our area, the Fox 56 viewing area, completely covered for Saturday morning through Monday morning. The opportunity for quite the wintry mess is coming your way. We're talking about road impacts where at times it may not even be passable with heavy snowfall getting in on there, so the impact from that will be high as well. Hard for the crews to keep up with snowfall rates at 1 to 2 inches per hour. That does look likely at times through the course of this system. The cold air is another thing. It's Arctic air settling in against the moisture that's coming in. So high temperatures on Saturday, probably in the teens for us. As we get into the ice and the power outage situation, that's a medium threat for us right now. Half or less of the state is going to be in on some accumulating ice that could knock out some power. So right now, the trend is further to the south with that. But it's all about the timing and the location. Saturday, most of us are going to just see snow. Heavy at times with, again, those snowfall rates of maybe 1 to 2 inches. That's basically wave number one. This is kind of a two-parter system as it comes in. Late Saturday, could see in western Kentucky a small lull in the activity. We're likely to keep the snow coming down here in central and eastern Kentucky, some of it switching over to maybe a little bit of ice to the south. By Sunday morning, it's a game of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and maybe just good old regular rain spread across just our viewing area alone. It turns back to snow as we go throughout the day on Sunday, and it will stay very cold for us. Some snow lingering for some places even into our Monday. Here's what we're talking about in terms of just precipitation types for this as we go through it. This is across the entire weekend. Mainly snow across our northern tier. Snow and sleet coming across central Kentucky, and then snow, sleet, freezing rain, and maybe rain for south and eastern Kentucky. Now, the latest model run I'm going to show you here on the next big thing pulled it just a little further south again, and that is a game we're going to have to play into tomorrow, really fine-tuning the trend here. By midday, we're going to have snow encompassing western Kentucky, and then it takes over for the rest through the evening. You'll notice that it's all blue with some darker blue moving in at times, meaning heavier snow into the overnight. This is now Sunday morning, though, and you'll see the pink is across the southern half of the state. That's where our mix of sleet, freezing rain comes in, maybe even if we can get some warm enough temperatures to nose in, just rain for us here as it rolls through, but likely surface temperatures stay below freezing across the entirety of this system. So that would be freezing rain on contact on the roadways, on the snow that's already fallen. This is midday now Sunday. Notice how it's kept half of us or more in snow the entire time. Southern and eastern Kentucky in for that ice potential, flipping it back over Sunday night, and then the heavy snow just continues in waves before fading away into our Monday. What does that mean for you in terms of snowfall? Well, the further north you are and the areas that see the snow the entire time are going 10 to 14 plus. 6 to 10 through central Kentucky because of that opportunity for the sleet to mix in. Sleet, an inch of it could put us towards the lower end of this snowfall total across this 3-day weekend here. And as you go further to the south, 3 to 6, this could all come in on Saturday, and then we'll have the freezing rain go on top of it as we get into Sunday. We might need to bump those totals up if we can get more throughout the day on Saturday, and then add this kind of ice to it. Ice accumulations that are going to be noticeable would be 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch in the light pink, the darker pink 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch or even more. all of it depending upon the warm nose coming in. Behind that, it's just cold air settling in for us the rest of the way. That's Monday, maybe a tiny bit of relief into Tuesday, Wednesday, but ultimately the Arctic air just sits all the way through the start of February and maybe even a day or two beyond that. Here's what it looks like on the 7-day forecast. Tuesday morning will be the coldest. Temperatures come up to the 20s on Wednesday. That could lead to, hopefully, just some light snow into the middle of next week.